Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing my brand new Brutus Monroe Inspiration Team box. And this month it was filled with so much Easter goodness. I just can't wait to share it with you. Now if you're interested in any of the products that I am showing today, I will have an affiliate link listed down below in the description box, where I do earn a small commission and there's no extra charge to you. I do appreciate when you shop my links, as that helps supports me on my YouTube channel. All right, so let's go ahead and start looking at all the products. This stamp is super cute. This is called Make Me Hoppy, and the little sentiment says, "You make me hoppy." It has a cute little Easter bunny with a little Easter egg. This one is called Bunny Friends, and it says Happy Spring from all of us, and it has, let's see, 9 different bunnies here that are super cute. Also included, I received the chipboard, so I have the chipboard companions for the Bunny Friends, and so you can just paint the chipboard up. I like to use like a white gesso, and then you can stamp your stamps right on there. Now I love this stamp. This might be my favorite of what I received. This is called Hip Hop Hooray. You can see the little bunnies here hanging from the Easter eggs. The sentiments say, "Some bunny loves you, hip hop hooray, happy birthday, you're extra special, and happy Easter." And then with this one, I also received the coordinating Hip Hop Hooray chipboard companions. So again, I can paint that chipboard up and stamp those right on there. These are card panels, and these are, actually, let me show you this first. This is the mixed media stencil for the Hip Hop Hooray. It's a layering stencil, so if you don't like to color, you can use the stencil to color up your stamped images very quickly. This is the foilable card panels, and these are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, so they're a full-sized A2 standard card. You receive 4 designs and 2 of each of those designs. So these are meant to use the foil, and you can run it through your ink machine. So you can see here there's 4 different designs. Here's the same image on that Hip Hop Hooray. I love that. And then this is the last one here with the Easter bunny in the eggs. So these are really cute. I can't wait to try these out. All right, let me put these back in the package, and then I'll show you the next item. There's so much goodness here. And now is the time to be working on your Easter cards. This is the Smile cutting die. So we've got the large word smile. And then you can see here we've got like lots of little buttons and little hearts. So these would be great for just little pieces on your cards. Now this is the Jelly Bean Mixed Media Stencil, and this is going to be so fun to use with the mixed media items that they sent me. This is called Easter Egg, and this is 6 by 6 pattern paper. You receive 12 patterns, 4 of each. So there's 24 sheets. Now I have already dug into this, and I've already made a couple cards. I love this where it shows the coordinating colors of Brutus Monroe on the back of the front cover. So then here's a look at the designs. You've got all of these Easter eggs on here, and I think most of the sheets have Easter eggs on them in some fashion, and all the different colors. And there's a plaid. Oh, I love a good plaid. So let me see here. Let me flip through here. And I think I'm back at the beginning. I have these out of order because, like I said, I did use this already. But I wanted to show you this new pattern paper pad. And I love the Brutus Monroe paper. It is very, very thick and sturdy. Okay, so now let's start looking at the mixed media goodness. So I received the Chroma Glaze, and this is in the color purple. And then this is called Glitter Glaze, and the color is MS Pink. You know what? Let me just open this up so you can see. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use that. Let me go back and open the Chroma Glaze so you can see that one. Again, this one's called Purple. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So that's going to look really pretty through that Easter egg stencil. I'm going to try that. This is called Candy Coat, and it is in purple, and I received one of these in my last month's design team box, and I think it was called Cantaloupe, maybe? I'll have to go back and look, but I really liked it, and I used it through a stencil, so I'm anxious to try this. And look, it matches my nails. My nails are purple right now, so I'm definitely going to have to use these. And then this is the Velveteen Glaze, and the color is a beautiful blush. I mean, do they know me or what? Pink and purple are my colors. So that is a look at everything I received this month. So be following my channel, my Facebook, and my Instagram so that you can see all the items that I create. And like I said, if you're interested in any of these products, I will leave links down below and you can shop away. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.